Hi everybody, I'm Nancy Schlessinger, Vice President and co-owner of LovelySkin.com.
And I'm Chrissy, Director of Product Operations at LovelySkin.com.
And Chrissy, I am so happy to be here with you today, and I'm so very excited to introduce the new product from Jane Iredale, the Skintuition Brightening Under Eye Concealer. Chrissy, you and I have both had a chance to try it out, and we both like it, and we're going to share our thoughts with you today. But first, let's take a look.
So this is a click pen concealer with a built-in brush, and you start by applying it to the inner corner of the eye, and then you can use your finger or concealer brush to blend it outward.
And it comes in 16 shades with cool and warm and neutral undertones, so it's going to be very easy to match with your skin tone.
And what I love about it is it's not just a concealer. It has niacinamide, an active peptide complex, and a bioactive marine extract to help smooth, brighten, and hydrate the skin over time.
And Chrissy, I think one of the most important takeaways from this, what we're sharing today, is that Jane Iredale has put the clinical science behind this concealer. So at LovelySkin.com, because we are a board-certified dermatologist, founded, owned and operated beauty and skincare website. That is exactly what we're looking for, and huge for us. And for me personally, I've always dealt with under eye dark circles, and this eye concealer has really helped improve that. It also helps with any puffiness issues, texture, and it's great for hydration.
And after having tried the product, I was very impressed with the formula. It's not cakey, it stays smooth under the eyes, and it's meant to move along with your natural movements throughout the day, so it stays put, which is huge for a concealer.
Absolutely, and we took some really great before and after photos, and I have to say, I'm so impressed with the skin-like finish. And Chrissy, what is so exciting is that it also pairs so nicely with the Jane Iredale Skintuition SPF 30 Radiance Boosting Liquid Foundation, and truly together they just create a natural and elegant, beautiful glow.
So if you're looking for a brightening under eye concealer that also improves your skin over time, you're gonna love it. Find it at LovelySkin.com, and the link is below.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Thank you.
Thank you. Bye.